Salut tout le monde, hi everyone, welcome to the new episode of Authentic French. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss direct object pronoun. Direct object pronoun. Now, first of all, let's know what a direct object is. A direct object is one that receives the action of a verb. It is called direct because there is no preposition following the verb or preceding the noun. Let's look at the direct object pronouns. The direct object pronouns are me or M apostrophe, te or T apostrophe, le or L apostrophe, la or L apostrophe, nous, vous, les. So the direct object pronoun for je is me. For tu is te, il, le, elle, la, nous, vous, il ou elle, les. Examples. Je comprends toi et tes amis. Je comprends toi et tes amis. Je vous comprends. Elle connaît moi et mes collègues. Elle connaît moi et mes collègues. Elle nous connaît. Elle nous connaît. Following verbs take direct object pronouns. The following verbs take direct object pronouns. Aimer, écouter, attendre, inviter, comprendre, prendre, and connaître. There are many others that you can also look for. Note that in French, the direct object pronoun must agree in gender and number with the noun it replaces. In French, the direct object pronoun must agree in gender and number with the noun it replaces. Examples: je regarde le film. Je le regarde. Tu regardes la fille. Tu la regardes. Tu connais Jean. Tu le connais. Je connais Sylvie. Je la connais. Vous connaissez ma sœur. Vous la connaissez. Vous voyez moi et ma sœur. Vous nous voyez. Also remember that the place of the object pronoun is located just after the subject of the verb. It means that the object pronoun precedes the verb. The object pronoun precedes the verb. It means it follows just the subject in the sentence, as you have seen in the examples. This will be all for today. See you in the next episode. Au revoir.